In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a replaced file on Windows. First, you go to your replaced file location. Suppose this is the file whose data has been replaced. Recovering a replaced file on Windows is often necessary when an important document, image, or project is accidentally overwritten with a different version, resulting in the loss of valuable data or progress. This can happen during editing, file transfers, or saving files with the same name in the same location. Since Windows does not prompt to keep both files by default, the original version is lost unless backup or recovery options are enabled. Therefore, users may need to recover a replaced file to retrieve critical information, undo unwanted changes, or restore a previous version that holds essential content or configurations. To recover the data that was replaced, right-click on the folder. In the pop-up, click on Properties. In the pop-up menu, go to the Previous Versions tab. In this tab, the previous versions will appear if any are available. Here you can see that I have a version available that can be recovered. If I click on Open from here, we will be able to see the data that was inside the previous version. If you want to restore the whole folder, click on Restore. In the pop-up, click on Restore, and your data should be recovered. There is another way to do this. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Restore Point. In the search results, click on Create a Restore Point. In the pop-up menu, click on System Restore. Now click on Next. Here, your available restore point will appear. Select a restore point that contains your desired data and click on Next. Now click on Finish. Your folder should be recovered by now. Remember that you will only be able to recover a folder or data if you created a restore point for the drives. Otherwise, it will not work.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.